Namaskar, I am Anand and you are watching Join for Education. Let's solve the question number 20. A pen stand made of wood is in the shape of cuboid with four conical depressions and a cubical depression to hold the pens and pins respectively. The dimension of the cuboid are 10 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. The radius of each of the conical expressions is 0.5 centimeter and the depth is 2.1 centimeter. The age of the cubical depression is 3 centimeter. Find the volume of the wood in the entire stand. So this is the question. This question is from surface areas and volume, class 10, subject mathematics. Let's see the solution. From question it is clear that length of the cuboid pen stand, suppose this is the L, 10 centimeter. Breadth of the cuboid pen stand, B, 5 centimeter. Height of the cuboid pen stand, H, 4 centimeter. Let's see the figure. This is the figure of the pen with conical base and a pin with cubical base. So this is the pen stand, cubical depression, 4 conical depression, 1, 2, 3 and this is the 4. Volume of the cuboidal pen stand, we know that L into B into H, or length into breadth into height. 10 5 ja 50, 54 ja 20, and we know that the unit of the volume is cube centimeter. So radius of the conical depression is 0.5 centimeter. Depth is 2.1 centimeter. Volume of the conical depression, we recall the formula of the volume. So this is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now putting the value of pi, r and h. The value of pi is 22 by 7. Value of r is 0.5 r square, therefore 0.5 into 0.5 and height is 2.1 centimeter. After the cancelled out this one, then we get here 0.1. After the multiplication we get this one 0.55 cube centimeter. So volume of the 4 conical depression, this one is multiplied by 4, then we get by, this is the 100, then this one will be the 25 and 5 11 ja, and this is the 5 ja, so 11 by 5 cube centimeter. Now age of the cube is 3 centimeter, therefore the volume of the cube, we know that is the L cube or H cube. So 3 into 3 into 3 into equal to 27 cube centimeter. Therefore volume of wood in entire pen stand equal to volume of the cuboidal pen stand minus volume of 4 conical depression minus volume of the cube. So volume of the cuboidal pen stand is 200 cube centimeter. Volume of 4 conical depression is 11 by 5 cube centimeter and volume of the cube is 27 centimeter. After the simple calculation, we get 170.8 cube centimeter. So the required volume of the wood in the entire stand is 170.8 cube centimeter. Hope that there is no problem to understand the explanation of the solution of this question, and hope that the explanation of the solution of this question will be useful or helpful to the schooling of students of class 10. With the help of this, a student can solve some other questions which are based upon this pattern. My next video lecture will be related to the solution of some more questions of surface areas and volume. Till then, thanks to all of you. Thank you very much.